moment that he knew he fucked up.
Mad Mars car is back with another one. Like and subscribe, ring that bell if you haven't, man. Like and subscribe and ring that bell if you haven't, man. Yeah. Y'all know what's going on, man. Yeah, man, you know. Been a real busy weekend. Graduations. My cousin going off to college, you know. You know what I'm saying? Playing that football, man, throwing that ball, man. You know what I'm saying? Home, Shawty can play. Shawty can play any position. Oh, God. My cousin play any position, bro. You know what I'm saying? Not my brother, my cousin. My cousin play any position. You know what I'm saying? At the same time, me and my play brother, we about to throw, do something for the kids and stuff, you know what I'm saying? And his daughter going out to high school. His daughter going out to high school and all, man. So, you know, he got all the other kids, you know. We about to get some fireworks. We're going to go crazy. You feel me? It's a celebration! You feel me? That's how I got my yay. You know, thing came back from Sally. You feel me? Came back from Sally. Sally, Phil Plaza Sally, you know. I told you I would start, you know what I'm saying? Man, y'all don't even, the shoes I got on go, the shirt is so, what the boys say, man? Look, man. Oh, yeah, y'all catch it. Hey, look, man, is the shoes matching the shirt? What my boy said, is the shirt matching the shoes, man? Come on, man. Look, and this before, YouTube ain't paying me yet. Y'all keep what's going on. So y'all I ain't gonna say nothing else. You know what I'm saying? But man, these bills, man. Today's Sunday, by the way. So, you know, tomorrow business day. So 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna drop something tomorrow. Let y'all know what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Cause that box really need to be painted, man. They really need to be painted, man. I got other stuff I'm trying to do, man. I just came across a 1995 Impala SS. Man, I like the 96 because 96 gear shift is down here. Like the Trailblazers. You know what I'm saying? But I deal with it being up here. You know, I deal with it. I just like those body, like, that's a classic car, bro. And I can use a 95, well, not even 95 or 96. I can use a classic Impala SS on the channel. You know, I already got the 79 Impala. I can use a classic SS on the channel, man. So I'm trying to see how I'm gonna do this, or whatever. But man, I love those cars. And it's black. Man. See, the interior in good condition and all, man. Man, I can use that car. I really can use that car. I probably throw the clip in. About right here. Yeah, man, it's crazy. But yeah, I'm just staying focused, man. Like I say, time, stay focused. Stay out the way, man. Look, man, don't let nobody take you off your greasy, man. You know what I'm saying? Stay on your greasy, man. Get this bag, man. Don't let nobody talk you into wise. Don't let nobody talk you into getting in trouble or coming out of character, man. You feel me? Stay humble. Get the money. Stay grinding. Keep yourself busy. You feel me? You gotta stay busy, man. Keep yourself busy, man. Mad Mars cars, man. Like I said, man, I ain't trying to do nothing but spread the little wisdom I got from our life experiences and put people on game what's going on. At the same time, I'm learning as I'm still going. I'm learning as I still go, man. I learn new stuff every day. I'm not the type of person who don't want to hear. I take everything in, bro. If it go in this ear, it's gonna stay in his head. know what I'm saying? Like, you're not gonna go in this end and go out the other. I'm locking it in, bro. We locking it all the way down, Cloud. You feel me? You feel me? Yeah. But look, man, like I said, man, we know who gotta make it. I guarantee you, half of these people don't have, like, bro, the fireworks we got, bro. We about to wait the block up. You know what I'm saying? We about to wait the block up. We spent thousands of dollars on fireworks. We wait the block up, bro. About to wake it up. You feel me? Eat good. Family vibes. You know. The vibes, you know. Weekend. Monday morning come back, you know, tomorrow. You know, we'll get back on these cars. But to be honest with you, I never be out cars. I could be doing something and I have my phone in my hand and I'm looking at something about a car. I guarantee you I'm looking at something about a car. I guarantee you. It's crazy, man. Like, bro, this been in my blood since I was young, bro. Like, for real, like, it's in me. It's not always in me, man. Like, cars, speed, power. Look. Man, this is my middle name. We do it. My uncle too, man, you know, we do it. Like I keep saying, man, just wait till the fleet done. I'm still adding to the fleet. Y'all hear me talking about getting y'all hear me talking about buying a 95 Impala SS. I ain't gonna keep adding to the fleet, man. All the cars got to be done. All the cars got to get done, you know what I'm saying? We're doing everything, man. Gotta stand out. And not even like too much on standing out. Like, I feel like when it comes to cars, paints, and all that, the cleanest cars are the ones with the simple paint jobs. All the extra stuff, it be nice, but it don't be clean. Like, I like simple, clean. You know what I'm saying? Like, a lot of guys mess up cars by the type of paint jobs they pick or the type of rims they get. Nah, man, you keep it clean and simple. You keep it simple, then it's clean. You feel me? That's just my opinion, you know what I'm saying? That's just my opinion, you feel me? Maybe I'm wrong. You feel me? Maybe I'm wrong. Hey, man, like I still to say, bro, I appreciate the love and support, man. All I can do is go, whenever I see you at 32, all I can do is go up, man. That's all I can do, man. You feel me? If I didn't have the love and support, bro, I ain't gonna say I wouldn't still be going, because I'd probably still be going. But at the same time, y'all contribute to me. Y'all help me to keep going, man. You motivate me to keep going and keep dropping. So I'm gonna keep dropping, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep doing these bills going. Like I said, man, more reviews on the way. Collab with some other YouTubers. Man, these people are driving so slow. Oh my Lord, get out the way. Goodness, what are you doing? Hate when people driving that slow, man. That's ridiculous. You gotta drive that slow, bro. Like, what are you doing? And they just ran the light. It's crazy, man. Yeah, man. I'm trying to, it's so much that I'm trying to handle and take care of. And I handle so much behind the scenes, bro. Like, man, busy not even a word for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you ain't busy, you ain't got nothing going on. Straight like that. You gotta stay doing something. And like I tell a lot of guys, man, they always ask me, like, bro, how you always find a video, how you always find content to make or whatever. Bro, it's the niche I'm in. Like, my niche is cars. Like, I deal with cars anyway. Like, regardless if y'all was watching or not, that's my life. Like, I love cars, like dealing with cars, bro. In the meantime, I ain't doing nothing getting older, bro. So I'm trying to put my fleet together. Gotta have that fleet. You feel me? 4, 5 cars, own yours. You know? Then I might think about giving me a brand new car, but man, I gotta own all mine first. And then you have people always saying, bro, you gonna get your Challenger, your Charger. That'll be good for your channel. Yeah, you right. And I'm gonna give me a Challenger or a Charger when I want to. You know, I got other stuff I'm taking care of. Like I said, you know, I got three, four cars I'm already working on at the same time. Then just got my girl, bro, a new car. So, you know, I'm all right, man. House, you know, it's like, man, I'm all right, man. You know, I got other stuff I'm worried about right now. At the same time, I'm gonna get that car when it's time to get my new car. And my credit gotta be where I want it to be. Look, man, this for everybody, man. For you to get anything in this world at a fair price, you gotta have credit, bro. So you can have low interest rates. If your interest rates are high, you're gonna get knocked over the head. Once again, to get anything in this world for a fair price, you have to have good credit. You know what good credit leads to? Low interest rates. You know what low interest rates leads to? Everything is cheaper. If your interest rates are higher, then you gotta pay more. Duh. You feel me? So this the difference. I can go, say your credit score, excuse me. Say your credit score is 780. And you try to go lease a car. Finance a car, lease a car, whatever. You go know the 780. You get approved you get approved for a $40,000 car, no money down. $35,000, $40,000 car, no money down. Compared to the person who come in there with no credit, interest rate's gonna be higher. You don't get approved for no $30,000, $40,000 car, no money down. You need to put at least $6,000 down. At least 6, probably 7, probably 10, just to be where the person is who got good credit is. You know what I'm saying? I don't think a lot of people get what I'm saying when I say that. Just to be where the person who got good credit is. If you got bad credit, you got to put down at least 6 to 10,000. No lie. Man, look, man, I ain't gonna keep schooling y'all, man. Look, man, like I said, it's another video for all that, bro. Y'all gotta stay tuned in, man. Mad Mars Cars, man. Like and subscribe with the bell. I'm gonna keep dropping these bombs on y'all, man. You feel me? I got so much up here, bro, that I don't let nobody know, man. And I'm still learning, bro. Y'all gotta stay tuned in. Got this.
You know what I'm saying? We back down with this, but you know what I'm saying? We're gonna butt his over, you feel me? Get in there, man. What? Take a shot, you feel me?
Uh-oh.
Come on, man.
Uh-oh.
They do it, man. That 4K looking crazy.
What's up, bro? You on the channel, bro? For real, bro. I got the real YouTube now. For real. Don't get on it and be shy now. Come on with it. Oh, yeah, he got them dogs up there. I see them, boy. Come on, pour it up. Pour it up.
You gonna drink the rest out the bottle?
No, the hell I ain't. Y'all witness. She trying to get me drunk. What is that? Yeah, I don't like, I don't like the straight stuff.
Exactly. Come on, get the fuck out of here, boy. You really got that? And I got there, 3 hours before we supposed to.
Oh! Like it covered fun heads in there. Look, like it covered that shit like that.
You know the caption is, man, hair and bar.
Oh! That stuff dropping. It dropped in your cup. We back in here. So we back, man. Hey,
Here, guys, like this.
Crazy.
Ah, look what I found in the mystery box. That bitch said gorilla chopper. Oh, shit. Ah! Woo! Man, them in that bag. Where the fuck you got, man? Okay, here we go. So I can see that. Oh, there we go. We going down the side. It's time to let his ass go.
Oh yeah. Tell her, yeah. Tell her that. Hey man, that truck I was blown up. Hey, yeah, we got blown up. Hey, yeah, y'all see me out here. One set block on, but I went crazy on the works. He still opening stuff.
Oh, I can't open it. I done broke the
About 3,000-4,000 on. Let it take off in your hand.
No, just set it down.
Let it take off in your hand.
Oh,
No,
you motherfucker.
just let it take off in your hand. You just held it.
You should have just dropped it down in the tube.
Yeah.
That nigga gonna blow his goddamn hand out.
How we going?
Why the fuck do you get
They be taping it like that. Yeah.
come on. They take that bitch to the goddamn soul of it.
Yeah, man. Come on.
First one was.
We out here, man.
Oh, here he goes.
Back down to earth. Meanwhile on earth. Meanwhile. Okay, these guys savage, but that's a tree right there, there's a tree right here. They don't care. So they don't care. There's a tree right there, a tree right there. Oh, there's stuff in there, they don't care. They don't care. We got cold ice water. In case you love 5-star, put the 5. Man, what is this over here? Rhythm and rock. Effects. Sway back and forth, gold, green, and crackling comments. With powerful over-the-top. Oh my Lord, have mercy. Panoramic burst. That thing right there probably about 300-400.
Don't get send me the
Guy going on.
Alright.
Yeah, he always up no go. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy.